Welcome to day 14 of our 28-day challenge. This is the standing edition. Today we're going to talk about making this practice your own. This sequence is time tested, this framework of starting off with a sanctuary, of doing 3 intentful corrections, smiling from the heart, doing dynamic Qigong exercises, letting go and unwinding, standing meditation, and using self-applied massage to come back and reintegrate into your daily life. I recommend that you practice with this months, even years, and get used to it. Learn for yourself through experience why it's this way. Learn like you're riding a bike where this is natural to you. And what you'll notice is there will be times when you are like doing a dynamic Qigong exercise and you get a little bit tense and you decide and allow yourself to go straight into flowing breeze, swaying willow. And then you go back to your dynamic Qigong exercise. Or maybe you decide, I am really tense. I could use the self-applied massage at the beginning of the exercise to help me relax and make the most of that following 15 minutes. So first, learn this, practice this, embody this routine, this shifting states process, and then when you need to change it, you'll be able to make wise decisions.